How to buy Restore Truth token in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Download the SafePal app. Download SafePal from your App Store. Step 2. Set up your wallet in SafePal. Tap the SafePal icon on your mobile device to open. Tap the wallet icon. Next, tap on Software Wallet. If this is your first time using SafePal, you will need to set up a security password. This security password is not your wallet password. It is the password to perform functions within SafePal. Make sure you do not lose this password. Next, read the terms of use, then check the I've read box and hit Submit. Create a security PIN or pattern. Click Skip if you do not wish to use one. Your password is now set up. Next, you will create your software wallet. Tap on Software Wallet. Select Create Wallet. Enter the password you created earlier and tap Confirm. Next, you will need to create a wallet name. This can be anything you'd like it to be. Tap Done. You now have a wallet. Next, let's back up your phrase. This next step is very important. Make sure you write your secret mnemonic phrase on paper and store it in a safe place. Do not lose it and never share it with anyone. This is not a recoverable password. Tap the 3 checkboxes and then click Understood once you're ready. Verify your secret mnemonic phrase by tapping them in the proper order. You can now see your wallet. The wallet name is located at the top of the screen. After your wallet is created, you will need to purchase BNB BEP20. Make sure you're selecting BEP20 and not BEP2. Tap BNB BEP20 and then Buy Coin, as you will need it to purchase RTT. Confirm your order amount and then tap Buy Now. Read the disclaimer, tap the checkbox, and click Accept and go to Payment. From this point, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Select the Credit Debit Card option. Fill in all of the information to complete your purchase of BNB BEP20. After all of the information is filled out and approved, your purchase will be complete. You should now have BNB in your wallet. Step 3. Buy RTT from PancakeSwap. Tap the center icon in SafePal to access PancakeSwap. Select the PancakeSwap icon. Read the on-screen prompt, then tap Confirm. To connect your wallet, tap Connect Wallet. A window will pop up. Tap on the SafePal icon. If you do not see the SafePal icon, tap on More to see more options. To confirm that your wallet is connected, make sure that you see the wallet icon in the top right of your screen. Next, we will paste the RTT token address into the Paste Address field. Copy the contract address from restoretruthtoken.com. Double-check the official address. It should say RTT. Tap Import. Read the on-screen prompt. After reading, check the I understand box and tap Import. After connecting the wallet and adding the token, click the gear icon that is located to the right of Exchange. Change your slippage tolerance to 12. Click the X on the Settings window to save and close. Enter the amount of BNB that you would like to use to buy RTT. The RTT field will calculate the amount automatically. Lastly, tap on the Swap button. The transaction will process. Congratulations, you are now an RTT holder.